How else do I say that?
Amazing. Really cool.
Hey YouTube, nice to meet you. My name is Yulia and today I'm gonna tell you about 5 reasons to love social media. You know, before I made this video, I YouTubed the name, this why to love social media. I was surprised that I've seen 0 videos about this, but I've seen lots and lots of content about how social media gives you anxiety and why you should hate it and how bad it is for your psyche and your brain health and all the kinds of stuff. I'm not gonna tell you about this today because I think you had a chance to learn that from Social Dilemma and from... what was the other? Black Mirror. Yeah. Today I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why social media are cool and why I love this incredible tool, how I think it changed our lives, why we should all be grateful for that and just take responsibility for ourselves. Our own actions and don't blame it on Zuckerberg or Facebook or TikTok and this kind of stuff, you know.
I see everything as a tool, and I think that social media is just a tool. You are the one who is using it. You are the only one who decides how to use it. You can learn from it, you can socialize, you can make money, you can become rich, or you can scroll your feed for hours a day, be anxious about someone else's better than you, hate, just destroy your life, complaining about how bad social media are, what a terrible impact they have on your life. So make your choice.
So here are the 5 reasons to love social media and why they're cool. Reason number 1 is knowledge. Access to free knowledge. This is good and bad at the same time. I agree with you guys, but still, just think about it, like 100 years ago, you could not study. Okay, no, wait. I know more about social media than about history. So yeah, you had to be born in royal family or go and be a priest. You have to turn into religion. That was the only way to get access to the knowledge. All the other people didn't have this. You couldn't read the book if you were not the chosen one. Do you understand that? It's crazy. And today, you can learn anything on YouTube. Anything. Like, you can learn how to build a house. You can learn how to get orgasms. You can learn how to cook, surf, ride a bike, fix a car. It's crazy and it's so amazing. I cannot say that today social media can replace the university 100%, but we are already doing that. We are already replacing standard education with online education. And honestly, I have a degree, bachelor degree. I've been studying in the university and I'm studying online because there is no social media marketing university. I study from people who are in this field, professionals. They give me the working schemes. I think it's amazing. Second is social lift. What I mean is that you can get rich and famous from social media very easy, very fast. That's it. You saw it many times. You create something, it goes viral. Here you are, rich and famous. Okay, maybe just famous. To get rich, you also need to have some kind of right mindset. Yeah, this could be a good start. Today, anyone can have a blog on social media, anyone can promote it, like me. If you were born in a usual family without lots of money, you're just a regular person, but you really want fame. Just go there, speak out, create content, create what you like. There will be always people who will follow you. It's not a myth. The competition is big and it's gonna be bigger every year. But guys, we are in the beginning. Just think about that. Think about competition in like 100 years on the internet or 200 years. Internet was created only 20 years ago. We are in the beginning of this journey and we are the ones who will set the whole thing. That's why it's not too late. Now is the time. The perfect time is now. How else do I say that so that you would understand? Third reason to love social media is people is maybe one of the best. I met so many cool people on Instagram while just having my blog. First of all, the people that follow you on social media, most likely you have something in common, because otherwise they wouldn't follow you. That means that, first of all, you have something to talk about. You may become good friends, you may learn something from them, they may learn from you, and you can be useful to each other. It's cool. It's not like you're meeting someone on Tinder, right? You are meeting someone who came to your blog or to your page. Doesn't even matter. The thing is that if you came there, if you are in this huge internet in one small place, means you have something in common. And yeah, I met really cool, amazing people on the internet. Some of them became my friends. Some of them became my employees. I'm just really grateful because now I have huge community of people that I can talk to. I'm just really grateful for that. Fourth reason to love social media is you can express yourself. Until the age of 20, I thought that I'm not creative at all. I didn't do anything when I was a child. Like, I didn't sing, I didn't dance, I didn't draw, I did nothing. I actually don't know how this thought came into my mind. I was like pretty much sure that I'm not the creative one. But then, when Instagram came to my life and all this aesthetic feed came up, I started to edit videos, I started to edit pictures, I started to just express myself. I started to write. I always had a diary. People found me through hashtags, they followed me. So many ways to express your creativity, to show yourself, to create stuff, to co-create, to be the creator. Shit, I'm not using the microphone.
Hey guys, I wanted to say that I only remembered that I have microphone in the middle of this video. That's why only from the middle there is a good sound. Hope you watched till the time, and if not, then I'm sorry. Reason number 5 is workplaces. This business and this field created so many workplaces. Even me, I work in social media marketing. I know everything about Instagram, about influencer marketing, about marketing. Sometimes I feel like there is too much, already here, and I need to put it all out somewhere. And I decided that YouTube will be a good place for that. If my knowledge will be useful for you, amazing, really cool. A lot of people now can be digital nomads, work online, can work from home. You can be blogger, you can be influencer, you can be social media marketing manager, edit videos, create stories for bloggers, you can create strategy, all sorts of things. If you want to get rich and famous from social media, subscribe, hit the like button. I will tell you everything I know about it. Bye!